This is Jim from outfarming.com. Today I'll start the tutorial series on my planter monitor with mapping on it. The current version is the planter M23.1. So here on the home screen I will click the icon. I'll give you a quick overview of what this shows. So the home screen here with the home button shows what's happening behind the planter with the skips in yellow and doubles in purple and out of seed condition in red. So if you have this happening and you want to turn off the alarms, you can press on the toolbar here. It brings up a screen where you can turn the alarms on and off by row. I'll turn them all off for now. And some other features here. You've got your population and singulation, other information that you'd understand. Over here on the left side is a bar graph showing how much seed you have left in your hopper. And if you click on it, you get a screen where you can adjust the information of how much seed you've got. So the other tabs up at the top here, tab for showing you the population by row compared to your target. And the next tab over here, the yellow and purple bar graph, shows the skips and doubles by row over a few seconds of time. The next icon where the tab shows spots is the seed spacing by row, all of them at once. Here's some doubles. Should have some skips in here somewhere. There's kind of a partial skip. And you can go further back in the screen and find more. But I'll exit there and come back to the tab up here that's orange is the map showing you where you are in the field and what you've planted. So you can move it around and resize things here. I'll get into that more in a later video. And the final tab over here is the settings, where you can select the farm and field that you're working with and do the setup on different products, parts of it. So go on and watch the next tutorial after this.